Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can create a letterhead in Microsoft Word. If you want to learn something like this, watch to the end. But before we start, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. I provide this template in the description of this video, don't worry about it. First, let's bring our logo. Click this here, then insert, pictures, this device, bring your logo. Click it, insert. Good. Now, click this icon. Okay. Click this one and then select this one. Great. Now resize it. Bring it to right location. Then picture format, crop to shapes, to the circle. Okay. Click crop. Just crop. Good. Great. Now insert, shapes, text. Bring text here. Name, your company name here. Company name. Change from home. Change its text size 20. From shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Resize this one. I prefer here. The text color, this black color is good. Now from insert, shapes, bring this line. Put it here. Hold shift and put it here. Hold shift to be right line. Okay. Select this one. Shape outline. Wait. Let be this one. Control D. Another one. Okay. Then again insert shapes. Bring the star. Put it here. Shape outline. No outline. Good. Select this one. Control D. Bring it to here. Make it italic. Change it to 15. And make unbold. Good. This time, now Control D. Bring it to here. Okay. Delete this one. Insert 260 E. Alt X phone number. Insert phone number. Change it to Calibri. And 14. Or click it, Control D. Another one. Delete this. Insert one F3E0 Alt X home address. For example, Arbil City Bada. Control D. Delete this one. For email icon 2709 Alt X. Okay. Now you can change the color of the icon. For example, I change it to red color, or this one. For this one also. Okay. Now our letter head is ready. I provide the template in the description of the video. That's all. Have a nice day.